So it's week 6 or 7 into the coronavirus lockdown here in California. States have closed the parks, including the SVRA, so all the trails are closed. So my black WR250R, formerly Cycle Cruzas, just remains in the garage. In the meantime, I've been taking my Legacy WR2R Supermoto, equipped with the Athena big bore kit, out a bit more. And I was thinking, I thought I'd find a way to measure acceleration of my WR250R Supermoto, and also eventually my black WR250R. And I ran across this app, and for shits and giggles, here are the results of my first few attempts using this app. So it's important to note that my Legacy WR250R is equipped with Warp 9 17-inch Supermoto wheels, an Athena big bore kit, FMF pipe with header, and it's also uncorked. Here are the results. I ended up with 6 timings. There were a few runs where I either missed a gear or got off to a slow start, so I figured I'd disregard the fastest and slowest runs. And I took the average time of the remaining 4 runs and came up with a 0 to 60 acceleration timing of 9.8 seconds. I'm definitely not an expert rider. In fact, I consider myself a newbie, and I know that other more experienced riders may be able to push the WR250R with faster times, but overall I thought this was a decent app. If anything, it can keep a consistent way of measuring acceleration. And along those lines, I'm gonna end this video saying, I got a few things in mind for upcoming videos. Also a few upgrades I want to do. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.